Want to make the Google Play Store safer for children? In this video, I'll show you how to set up parental controls on the Play Store and restrict apps, games, movies, and other content on your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap Settings. Next, tap Family, then select Content Restrictions. Here, turn on the Parental Controls option. You'll be asked to create a PIN. Enter a PIN that your child doesn't know, then confirm it. Now, select the type of content you want to restrict, such as apps and games or books, depending on the options available on your device. For apps and games, choose the appropriate age rating you want to allow. You can also adjust the content restrictions for other categories by selecting the available options and choosing the appropriate rating. Once you finish setting your restrictions, tap Save button. The parental controls will now be enabled on your Google Play Store, and content that doesn't meet your selected restrictions will be limited. Keep in mind that Play Store parental controls only restrict content on Google Play. They don't prevent a child from accessing restricted content through other apps, websites, or alternative sources. And that's it.